draft. Oh, he's going away. We're back in action. I-20N. We've driven already a few over the years, and it's always been an absolute pleasure. And also this time, it was pleasure to be banned before the lap even started. So public service announcement, something that I didn't know, because I have been driving cars with these kind of reflective windshields, but this time the marshals were unhappy, to say the least. So yeah, for all you guys out there, this is not allowed, not okay. You will probably be denied to entry on the track. But aside from that, what is allowed is to have an i20N with cool mods on it. So, what do we have?
So we've got upgraded brakes.
Yeah.
Slotted brakes, all done by Power Brakes.
Yeah.
Brembo pads. Just changed the Pilot Sport, the
B0s.
B0s to the Pilot Sport 5s because they're better handling.
Yeah. 225 40 18. Is that a square setup, I guess?
Yeah.
Yeah. Nice.
GPF delete, decat, air filter, and a tune on top as well.
Yeah. So stock they like what, 200 or
204 brake stock.
Yeah. And this is now
245, 380 Newton meters.
Yeah, and that was actually a very nice number. It felt very good. Also, we pushed almost the whole lap with the exception of small yellow zone. So, but the engine temps didn't get high, so that's good. So the tune done nice, although it's not that hot today either. But regardless, very good. Suspension is stock, right?
Stock suspension.
Yeah, and it worked like a charm. Mwah. So I don't know what else to say. Enjoy a lap. We had a great fun with Genesis Taxi, sort of family member of the Kia group, you could say. So yeah, thanks again for the lap.
Thank you.
And you guys enjoy the lap.
Foil on the windshield is not allowed.
Okay.
Yeah. And the normal number plate next time, not the tainted one.
Okay.
It's also not allowed, even not in the UK.
Okay.
Okay? So this lap and then...
Okay. Good. Thank you. All right. Well, learn something every day. Because through the years we had like tinted windshield laps. Never was an issue. I respect that, so then we know it for next time. Anyway, let's proceed. Let's see how this goes. I don't get to drive i20Ns often, unfortunately, because I really love the car, really love the platform, especially with tiny bit of mods attached to them. Just need to be careful that it's like not wet. Tires also need a bit of warming up, of course. The car is so easy to drive. It has just the right mods. A bit of more exhaust volume. And here it might be quite wet. You can see a bit more drizzles. Fast family member incoming, Genesis Taxi. Yeah, we're missing a bit of horsepower compared to them. But we're definitely not missing out on the fun factor. Oh, there's the Argentinian. Oh, it's yellow. The Argentinian Ford. It's not Falcon, but Torino, I think. And now we're going to be out of power on the climb. But maybe power to weight ratio is quite good. Oh. Oof. Scary. Bit of draft. Oh, he's going away! No! Come back! How much do those Genesis taxis have? It was just below 400 horsepower, I think. We're back in action. Thanks to the traffic behind us. Mudkurve. I think we're gonna catch him there slightly because of course he has more weight to carry and have to be more cautious for the passengers. La 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 la. I smell diff oil. Gonna assume it's not from us. Gearbox oil. No, the Genesis taxi is gone because I was paying more attention to the crashed car. Yeah, of course it's closed. Oh man. Well, I had good fun. Yeah, now the track's gonna be shut for another few hours while they do the barrier repairs. And yeah, not ideal. The marshals are also looking for someone who maybe was speeding through yellow or something. Anyway, verdict. I loved it. Actually, the extra power definitely does bring something nice with it. For me, it was always good fun. I was today maybe not that talkative, but I hope you guys enjoyed the little fun we had with the Genesis taxi. It's always great to drive with those guys. I should actually go for like a passenger lap with them. Yeah. Yeah. Otherwise, I don't know what to say. It was a good car. Good car. Everything works. Everything's nice. Does it need something else? Yeah, you could go for different suspension, different tires. But to be honest, even now it was good. Like, really not missing out on